Did you know? In the 19th century, ketchup was more than just a popular condiment. It was also marketed as a medicinal product. The story begins with Dr. John Cook Bennett, a physician who was fascinated by the potential health benefits of tomatoes. In 1834, Dr. Bennett published a pamphlet touting the medicinal virtues of ketchup, which was then considered a novel and innovative treatment for various ailments. Dr. Bennett's claims were rooted in the belief that tomatoes, the main ingredient in ketchup, had significant therapeutic properties. He argued that ketchup could help with a range of health issues, including digestive problems, jaundice, and even diarrhea. His enthusiasm for tomatoes as a remedy was based on the understanding that they contained beneficial nutrients, though the scientific understanding of nutrition at the time was quite rudimentary. To capitalize on this supposed medicinal value, Bennett began producing medicinal ketchup in pill form. These ketchup pills were marketed as a way to deliver the health benefits of tomatoes without the inconvenience of consuming large quantities of the condiment. The idea was that the concentrated form of ketchup could offer therapeutic effects more efficiently than the liquid condiment. Dr. Bennett's promotion of ketchup as a medicine was not entirely without precedent. During this period, many foods and spices were touted for their medicinal properties, often with varying degrees of scientific backing. The concept of using everyday foods for health benefits was a common practice, reflecting the limited medical knowledge and the growing interest in natural remedies. However, the medicinal use of ketchup did not last long. As medical science progressed and a better understanding of nutrition emerged, the idea of ketchup as a cure all fell out of favor. Research began to reveal that while tomatoes are nutritious and have health benefits, they are not a panacea for medical conditions. The rise of modern medicine and more rigorous scientific approaches to healthcare led to a decline in the use of ketchup as a treatment. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, ketchup had firmly established itself as a popular condiment rather than a medicinal product. The fascination with its health benefits faded, and it became known primarily for its role in enhancing the flavor of foods. Today, ketchup is a staple in many households around the world, enjoyed on burgers, fries, and a variety of other dishes. The story of ketchup's brief stint as medicine is a fascinating chapter in its history, illustrating how perceptions of food and health can evolve over time. It highlights the interplay between popular beliefs and scientific understanding, as well as the ways in which everyday items can take on unexpected roles in human history.